Today, we are making 3 types of delicious Korean side dishes. These will add variety to your dinner table, and they're so healthy and easy to make. You can have all 3 ready in 20 minutes. So, let's get started. Let's make gamja bokkeum. These are gamja. Oh! Sorry. Julienne potato, thinly sliced onion, carrots, lots of garlic. Don't forget spicy chilies. So we cut them and soak it in water for about 10 minutes. And now we're gonna drain the water. Let's bokkeum our gamja. Bokkeum means stir fry. We're gonna put some sesame oil. Not too much. Since we're gonna cook a lot of gamja bokkeum, so we're gonna put a lot of garlic. Okay, stir it until it gets a little bit brown. It smells really good. Yes. Let's put gamja in. Whoa. Okay, I just put the thinly sliced carrot. Potato is a little starchy even though we soak it for 10 minutes. So make sure it won't stick to the pan too much. Thinly sliced onions. It's looking nice. Now let's put a little bit of salt, black pepper. Don't forget to put some spicy chilies, not too much. In the end, let's put some sesame seed. Hai, dekimashita. Now we're gonna make 3 kinds of seasoned Korean namul. Spinach, in Korean samgyupsal. Bean sprout, corn namul, carrot. Let's boil the water. The water is boiling. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt. Spinach from the stem. So I usually let the stem part cook first because the leafy part cooks really quickly. Okay, now let's put all the in. I'm gonna put spinach into the cold bath. It was like this, and I cut the ends and cut it into half. Now we're gonna squeeze the water. Be careful, do not squeeze too hard, just lightly. We're gonna cut into about 3 centimeters. So we're gonna put a little bit of salt. And if you'd like some garlic, please make sure to use grated garlic. So we personally don't put garlic into spinach namul, so we're gonna skip it. Sesame oil. Then you can put sesame. Now let's make bean sprout namuru. We just boiled spinach, right? So you don't have to boil new water. You can just reuse the water. Let's put the bean sprout. Ooh. And bean sprout, you can only cook like 30 seconds. Don't cook too much. You want to keep the crunchiness from the vegetables. Now we just drain the bean sprout and let's season it. Put it in a bowl, a little bit of salt. You could put the grated garlic if you like, but we don't personally put it again, so we just skip it. Gomabura. Shaki-shaki. It's nice and crunchy. And it's super healthy. Let's make carrot namuru with sesame oil. You can totally use salad oil. When I was staying in Korea near Seoul, I went to one of these local outside market and it smelled something really good. And I was, what is this smell? It was sesame oil. So if you like sesame oil and if you are going to Korea, please go to one of the local outside market and buy freshly squeezed sesame oil. A little bit of soy sauce. In the end, sesame iremasu. Sesame is good for your health. I personally like to put sesame seed on the pan and cook it just a little bit and mix it. This is my personal preference, so you don't have to do it, but if you like sesame, you can totally do it. Our super tasty and sweet carrot namul is ready. So colorful. In Japanese, we have a saying, we eat food with your eyes. So the colorful food is tasty and healthy. Hi. Our final dish is Korean salad. we're gonna make Korean salad dressing. It's really good. It's actually from my mom's secret recipe. Let's put some minced garlic here. Okay. Vinegar, 2 spoons of vinegar. And then gochujang. My mom actually makes gochujang at home. My grandma too. Yeah, I like my mom's homemade gochujang. And then 1 spoon of sesame oil and sesame seeds. Wow, it's really good. It's nice and garlicky and a little bit of tangy and a little bit sweet. Perfect. These are mixed salad green. Thinly sliced onion. We soak these in water for 20 minutes to remove the strong flavor. Sesame seed as much as you want. Okay, let's put the thinly sliced onion. So of course, you can use other vegetable like kale. My parents love to eat dandelions leaves. So every April, we go to one of those temples area and then we pick up lots of dandelions. Ta-da-da. Yeah, you might be surprised to taste this dressing because it's so flavorful. Plenty of sesame seeds. This salad is very, very interesting because I feel like I want to eat it with rice. Here is our gamja bokkeum, potato stir fry, and 3 kinds of vegetable namul. And lastly, our Korean special salad. Hi, dozo.
Oh, thank you very much. We're actually enjoying this with Korean barbecue. We've got a piece of pork that's grilling right here. We're actually going to show you guys how to throw your own Korean barbecue party at home in the next video. So make sure you're subscribed and you've hit that notification bell so you know when that video is out. 감자볶. Oh, this one. Oh, I like this one. That is awesome. Stir-fried potatoes with those carrots, those onions. You can taste that sesame oil. And it's very simple. Salt, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Bean sprouts,
yes.
Carrots, spinach.
Yes, exactly.
Let's go ahead and try everything together, actually. I love the natural sweetness of the vegetables and the crunch. When I eat this, I feel like I'm eating like health food in a good way. It's really, really nice. Okay, let's try it out. It's very flavorful, but it's not like too strong. You know, like some dressings, like Italian dressing or something, it like enhances the flavor. Wow, that is really nice. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you try to make these 3 delicious Korean side dishes at home. For the full recipe, make sure to check out our website, links down below, and we'll see you next time.